Hello everyone, this is Pascal. Today I show you our cooperation watch with Radcliffe watch. In the package included is this microfiber cloth, then warranty card, strap adjustment tool, and of course the star of the show, the watch. It's 38mm cushion shape with stainless steel bracelets, 18mm lock, buckle with 3 adjustments, and here the mechanism is very smooth, so you can really set the timing very nice. And also here the engagement of the crown, very smooth and good. Have some clear AR coating and C3 lume.